strip number 56. This is strip by strip a quilting journey. So for 99 days, I am sharing 99 different ways that you can machine quilt a 2-inch strip using free motion quilting and also my machine quilting rulers. You can enroll and join this free class with me, stitch along with me over on our website, pieceandquilt.com. You can also gather all of the materials and supplies you need to stitch along, and also the rulers, all the goodies, it's all over there. Anyways, today I've actually loaded, this is the 3rd panel. So if you are quilting along with me, each panel that I'm quilting on is 50 by 60 and it has, I think 20 or so strips, maybe 25, I don't even know off the top of my head, but it has several strips on each panel, which are 2 inches by width of fabric inch strips. And then I'm filling in the background area with some fun free motion quilting. But this is the start of my 3rd panel, and I'm going to walk you through showing you how I quilt each of these strips. So the strip that I'm going to be showing you today is a fun swirl design. It's one that I think gives more of like a kind of a wavy ocean type look. That's the inspiration I get. But anyways, I'll show you how to quilt it. I think it's great, like I said, on nautical themed quilts, or honestly, anywhere it would look really great. It's just simple and really pleasing to the eye. So let's jump down here and let's get quilting. So to quilt this fun swirl design, you can see I'm starting over here on the left side of my 2-inch strip, and I'll start out by quilting this curl coming into the center. This time though, when I get to that center point, I'll stop, make my machine take a stitch, and then I'll come back out and go right into the next one. And I'll just repeat that process over and over. It's simple yet so effective. And I'm loving how this yellow thread is looking here on the purple. And I just went too far, which is because I usually always alternate directions when I'm quilting these swirls. So to correct that mistake though, I'm gonna come back down here to this point and then go right back into the other one. So a little bit of extra thread there, which is a great reason why I love to use this so fine thread. Thanks for joining me in this machine quilting video. I hope you were able to find a bit of inspiration. Don't forget, we have created an awesome companion design workbook that includes all 99 of these designs illustrated. Plus we have our favorite QR codes that when you scan those with your smart device, it'll take you right to the video where I show you how to do this machine quilting. Don't forget, I love seeing your work. You can share in our Piece and Quilt Show and Tell Facebook group. Have a great day and happy quilting!